Little storyteller.
Ethan loved his cozy bed. It was soft like a cloud. He loved to snuggle under his blue blanket. One sunny morning, Ethan was still snuggled tight. His fluffy bunny Bobo sat beside him, watching. "Time for school, Ethan," called his mom from downstairs. Ethan jumped out of bed. He quickly got dressed. Then he ran to the kitchen. His yummy toast with strawberry jam was waiting. But, oh no, he looked at the clock. It had big, round numbers. The long hand was pointing to 12, and the short hand was past 8. "The bus!" cried Ethan. He rushed outside. He saw the big yellow bus driving away. Its red lights blinked. Ethan felt a little sad. His mom came outside and gave him a hug. "Don't worry, Ethan," she said gently. "We can learn from this." That night, before bed, Ethan put his backpack on his bed. He put in his colorful books and his drawing pad, with silly animal pictures. Bobo watched carefully with his button eyes. Ethan also laid out his bright red shoes and his blue jacket. Everything was ready. The next morning, Ethan woke up when the sun peeked through his window. He hopped out of bed. His bag was already packed. He put on his red shoes and blue jacket. He ate his toast and looked at the clock. The long hand was pointing to 12, and the short hand was just past 7. He had lots of time. Ethan walked to the bus stop. He saw his friend Lily sitting on the bench. Lily had bright yellow ribbons in her hair. "Hi, Ethan," she said with a smile. The big yellow bus arrived. Ethan climbed on and found a seat next to Lily. He was so happy he was on time. At school, Ethan learned about all sorts of interesting things. He drew a big happy sun with colorful rays. After school, when Ethan got home, he gave Bobo a big hug. "Being ready helps us have more time for fun," Ethan said. Bobo seemed to nod his fluffy head. That evening, Ethan packed his bag for the next day. He smiled. Being punctual meant he had more time to play with Bobo and learn fun things at school. And do you know what? When we are ready on time, things often go more smoothly.
Please subscribe. Thank you.